Hi, welcome to Facts Know How. In today's video we are going to learn about some very useful information about the rainforest and some very amazing facts about the rainforest, things you do and things you don't do before planning to visit any rainforest. So let's get started. What is rainforest? A rainforest is a dense forest ecosystem characterized by high annual rainfall, typically located in tropical regions near the equator. Rainforests are characterized by a high level of biodiversity, with millions of species of plants, animals, and insects, many of which are still undiscovered by scientists. Rainforests play a critical role in regulating the Earth's climate by absorbing large amounts of carbon dioxide and producing oxygen through photosynthesis. They also provide a range of ecosystem services, including water filtration, soil conservation, and nutrient cycling. However, rainforests are under threat from human activities such as deforestation, logging, mining, and agriculture. This destruction of rainforests has significant environmental, economic, and social consequences, including loss of biodiversity, soil degradation, and climate change. Efforts are being made to conserve and restore rainforests, including through protected areas and sustainable land use practices. How many rainforests are there in the world? There are several rainforests in the world, with the largest and most well-known being the Amazon rainforest in South America, the Congo rainforest in Central Africa, and the Southeast Asian rainforest in Indonesia and Malaysia. There are also smaller rainforests in other parts of the world, such as the Daintree rainforest in Australia and the Monteverde cloud forest in Costa Rica. It's difficult to provide an exact number of rainforests in the world since the definition of a rainforest can vary. However, it's estimated that there are around 80 major rainforests worldwide, covering approximately 6% of the Earth's land surface. Do people live in the rainforest? Yes, people do live in some rainforests around the world, including indigenous communities and other rural populations. These communities have developed unique cultures and ways of life that are adapted to their local environment and the resources available in the rainforest. Indigenous communities in particular have a deep connection to the rainforest and rely on it for their livelihoods, including food, shelter, medicine, and spiritual practices. They often have a profound understanding of the plants and animals in the rainforest and the complex relationships between them. However, the traditional ways of life of rainforest communities are often under threat from outside influences, including large-scale development, resource extraction, and deforestation. These activities can destroy the habitats and resources on which these communities depend and can lead to the displacement, marginalization, and loss of culture of indigenous peoples. Efforts are being made to support the rights and sustainable livelihoods of these communities and to promote conservation and protection of the rainforest. What are the important things to keep in mind before going to any rainforest? If you're planning to visit a rainforest, there are several important things to keep in mind to ensure your safety and minimize your impact on the environment. Here are some key considerations. 1. Research the area. Before you go, research the specific rainforest you'll be visiting, including the weather, wildlife, and any potential safety risks. Also, find out about the cultural and environmental sensitivities of the area and be respectful of local customs. 2. Get vaccinated. Depending on where you're traveling, you may need to get vaccinated against certain diseases, such as yellow fever, malaria, and dengue fever. Consult with your doctor or a travel medicine specialist well in advance of your trip. 3. Pack appropriately. Be sure to pack appropriate clothing and gear for the rainforest, including long-sleeved shirts and pants, sturdy shoes, insect repellent, sunscreen, and a rain jacket. Also, bring any necessary medications, such as anti-malarial drugs or allergy medication. 4. Respect the environment. When you're in the rainforest, be mindful of your impact on the environment. Avoid littering, stay on designated trails, and don't disturb or harm any wildlife. 5. Follow safety guidelines. Be aware of potential safety risks in the rainforest, such as dangerous animals or treacherous terrain. Follow any safety guidelines provided by local guides or authorities, and never venture off on your own without proper training and equipment. 6. Respect the local communities. If you encounter local communities in the rainforest, be respectful of their customs and traditions. Ask for permission before taking photos or collecting any plants or other resources, and be mindful of your behavior and impact on the community. Here are some very amazing facts about the rainforest. 1. Rainforests are home to more than half of the world's plant and animal species, even though they only cover about 6% of the Earth's land surface. 2. The Amazon rainforest in South America is the largest rainforest in the world, covering over 2 million square miles, 5.5 million square kilometers, across 9 countries. 3. Rainforests are often referred to as the lungs of the Earth, because they produce around 20% of the world's oxygen. 4. The tallest trees in the rainforest can grow up to 300 feet, 91 meters, tall, which is taller than the Statue of Liberty. 5. Rainforests are incredibly biodiverse, with some areas containing more than 200 species of trees per hectare, 2.47 acres. 6. The rainforest floor is often dark and shadowy, with only 2% of sunlight reaching the ground. As a result, many plants and animals have adapted to living in low-light conditions. 7. Some rainforest species have unique adaptations, such as the sloth's ability to turn its head 270 degrees and the poison dart frog's bright colors, which warn predators of its toxic skin. 8. Rainforests are also important for regulating the Earth's climate, as they absorb carbon dioxide and release oxygen through photosynthesis. 9. Deforestation, largely due to human activity such as agriculture, logging, and mining, is a major threat to rainforests and the species that inhabit them. 10. Indigenous communities have lived in and depended on rainforests for thousands of years, and they often have a deep understanding of the local ecology and the importance of conservation. We hope you like the video. Please subscribe and hit the like button for more videos. We truly value your time.